You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast, and settle in for a true story that captures what a stress-free move feels like when every step is guided with care. Meet the Thompsons, a family of 4 from Chicago. Emma accepted a role in Paris. Mark worked remotely, and their 2 kids were a mix of nervous and excitement. When we first spoke, they were overwhelmed, not by the dream, by the details. What if things get stuck in customs? What if the apartment isn't ready? What do we do with our car? We started with what matters most, their timeline and comfort. Together, we mapped out a plan. A small air shipment containing the kids' beddings, school supplies, work gear, and a week's worth of kitchen essentials. The rest would be transported by sea in a single-use container. We set the packing date, synced the building's elevator reservation in Chicago, and booked delivery windows in Paris to coincide with their lease start. On packing day, our crew arrived with international-grade materials. Each room was packed and labeled. Furniture was protected and inventoried. Emma watched the inventory come to life on the tablet. It was the moment the chaos began to take shape as a plan. We handled their vehicle too, coordinated alongside household goods for efficiency and protection. While the vessel crossed the Atlantic, the Thompsons flew to Paris with 2 suitcases and a sense of relief. Their air shipment arrived within days, and the apartment's essentials were set before the first school visit. Meanwhile, our Paris partner pre-cleared the sea shipment, coordinated the building's delivery access, and scheduling within the elevator hours listed in their lease. There was no surprises. The delivery day felt like an arrival, not a chore. The crew reassembled the beds, placed boxes by room, and unwrapped the hand-me-down dish set from Grandma that Emma was most worried about. Mark's bike was hung just where he wanted it. The kids found their books in the boxes labeled Room 2, exactly as the packing app had shown weeks earlier. When the last carton was recycled, the apartment no longer felt foreign. It felt like the Thompsons' home, just with a view of Paris. Later, Emma told us, "I thought moving overseas would be 100 little worries. Instead, it was a straightforward process. We always knew what was next." That's the power of a plan, a single accountable team, and a move that treats people like people. Are you ready to write your own story in Europe? Visit our website or call 877-339-0267 for a free international moving quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.